Most students look at this equation and panic. X plus 12 whole square is equal to 169. But it's actually way simpler than it looks. Let's solve it together in seconds. Or to remove the square, we take the square root on both sides. So we can write here a square root of x plus 12 whole square is equal to plus or minus a square root of 169. And since the square root of 169 is 13, so we will get x plus 12, because this square cancel out this square root, is equal to plus or minus 13. Then from here we have two cases, so we can write here x plus 12 is equal to 13 and x plus 12 is equal to negative 13. Or x, now taking this positive 12 to right side, we will get 13 minus 12. So finally the first value of x1 is equal to 1. Now here similarly, taking this positive 12 to right side, we will get negative 12. So we can write here x is equal to negative 13 and negative 12. So the value of x2 is equal to negative 25. So the two possible values of x are x is equal to 1 and x is equal to negative 25. Now check. Our questions have given x plus 12 whole square is equal to 169. X plus 12 whole square is equal to 169. Or 1 plus 12 whole square is it equal to 169. Here x is equal to 1. Or we know that 1 plus 12 is 13, so 13 square is it equal to 169. Now we know that 13 square, that means 169, so we can write here 169 is equal to 169. So the value of x is equal to 1 is correct answer. Now x is equal to negative 25. So we can write here negative 25 plus 12 whole square is it equal to 169. Or negative 25 plus 12 is negative 13 whole square is it equal to 169. Or now we can write here negative 13 times negative 13 is it equal to 169. Now we know that negative times negative is positive, and 13 times 13 is 169. So we can write here 169 is equal to 169. So the value of x is equal to negative 25 is also correct. Okay, if you enjoyed these quick solutions, hit the like button and subscribe to @AminusB7 for more Olympiad style math problems every day.